Living with regret will suck the life force out of you. The Bible says in Revelation 2 verse 17, "To him that overcomes, I will give a new manna," meaning that when you ask for God for forgiveness, believe that you are forgiven. Believe that you are a new being. Believe that you have a new start, because you will never get well if you keep running. God will always take you back to the place that you are running from. You will always be taken back there to heal, and you will never find true healing through another person. You will only find true healing from God. Only God can heal you in a way that you need to be healed. No therapist, no counselor. Only God can truly heal a broken heart. People run. People run from the past. People run from the future. You can't keep running. You need to face the monster that haunts you. When I left my mother's house, I never wanted to speak about the abuse that she put me through, and I took it everywhere with me. I never realized that me not speaking about it and me not facing what she's done to me is actually just making me worse as a person. Like, I used to be so nasty. Like, when I say nasty, I mean nasty from the heart. Like, I used to be so filled with hatred and unkindness. I didn't want people to come close to me. I didn't have love for people. And the way you feel about yourself is the way you will treat others. If you don't have love for yourself, you will never love somebody else. If you don't have forgiveness in your heart, you will never be able to forgive anybody else. You can't give what you don't have. You will never get well if you keep running. No matter what you did or what somebody has done to you, you don't have to keep on bleeding. You don't have to keep on running. Regret is useless.